What if the secret to glowing, youthful skin wasn't in expensive treatments, but hidden in ancient wisdom and nature's own remedies? In this video, we'll explore nutrient-rich foods that not only taste amazing, but also work wonders for your skin, helping to combat aging, boost hydration, and enhance your natural radiance. Plus, you'll get expert-backed tips on how to seamlessly incorporate these powerful ingredients into your daily routine for lasting results. So, if you're ready to rediscover the secrets of timeless beauty and embrace aging with confidence, stay with me, because this could change everything you know about skincare. Hydration plays a crucial role in maintaining healthy, glowing skin. Drinking adequate water is essential for skin hydration, as it helps to flush out toxins and keep your skin plump and elastic. When your body is well hydrated, it reflects on your skin, reducing the appearance of dryness and flakiness. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water a day to support your skin's natural moisture barrier. In addition to drinking water, incorporating hydrating foods into your diet can significantly enhance your skin's hydration levels. Foods like cucumbers, watermelon, and oranges are not only refreshing, but also packed with water content. Cucumbers, for instance, are made up of about 95% water, making them an excellent choice for hydration. Watermelon, with its juicy sweetness, is another fantastic option that helps quench your skin's thirst. Oranges, rich in vitamin C, not only hydrate, but also promote collagen production, which is vital for maintaining skin elasticity. Proper hydration contributes to a youthful appearance by minimizing the visibility of fine lines and wrinkles. When your skin is adequately hydrated, it appears more vibrant and supple, giving you that sought-after glow. By prioritizing hydration through both water intake and hydrating foods, you're taking a significant step toward achieving radiant, ageless skin. So let's make hydration a key part of our skincare routine for lasting beauty. Antioxidant-rich foods are essential for skin rejuvenation and overall health. These powerful nutrients help combat free radicals, which are unstable molecules that can damage skin cells and accelerate the aging process. By incorporating antioxidant-rich foods into your diet, you can protect your skin from oxidative stress and promote a youthful appearance. Some of the best sources of antioxidants include berries, dark chocolate, and green tea. Berries, such as blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries, are packed with vitamins and antioxidants that help fight inflammation and improve skin texture. Dark chocolate, particularly varieties with a high cocoa content, is not only a delicious treat, but also rich in flavonoids that enhance skin hydration and protect against sun damage. Green tea is another powerhouse, containing catechins that improve skin elasticity and reduce the signs of aging. Incorporating these foods into your daily diet is simple and enjoyable. You can add berries to your morning smoothie, enjoy a piece of dark chocolate as an afternoon snack, or sip on a warm cup of green tea throughout the day. By making these small changes, you'll be providing your skin with the nutrients it needs to thrive. Embrace the benefits of antioxidants and watch your skin transform. With consistent consumption of these nutrient-dense foods, you'll not only enhance your skin's health, but also promote a radiant, youthful glow that lasts. Healthy fats are vital for maintaining skin elasticity and overall skin health. These fats play a crucial role in supporting the skin's structure, helping to keep it firm and youthful. Incorporating sources of healthy fats into your diet can significantly enhance your skin's hydration and resilience. Scene 2, sources of healthy fats. Time, code 023800025600. Narrator, VO. Avocados are a fantastic source of healthy monounsaturated fats, which help to nourish and moisturize the skin. Rich in vitamins E and C, avocados also provide antioxidants that protect against oxidative damage. Nuts, such as almonds and walnuts, are packed with omega-3 fatty acids and vitamin E, both of which contribute to skin elasticity and hydration. Olive oil, a staple in Mediterranean diets, is another excellent source of healthy fats that can help maintain skin moisture and reduce inflammation. Scene 3. Incorporating healthy fats into your meals. Time code 0256000003150000. Narrator, VO. To incorporate healthy fats into your meals, consider adding sliced avocado to your salads or sandwiches for a creamy texture. Snacking on a handful of nuts can provide a satisfying crunch while boosting your skin's health. Drizzling olive oil over roasted vegetables or using it as a dressing for salads can enhance flavor and provide essential nutrients. By making these small adjustments to your diet, you can support your skin's elasticity and overall appearance. Embracing healthy fats not only benefits your skin, but also contributes to your overall well-being, making it a delicious and nutritious choice for radiant skin. Vitamins play a crucial role in maintaining healthy skin and promoting its rejuvenation. Among the most important vitamins for skin health are vitamin C, E, and A. Each of these vitamins contributes uniquely to skin repair, protection, and overall appearance. Vitamin C is renowned for its ability to boost collagen production, which is essential for maintaining skin elasticity and firmness. Foods rich in vitamin C, such as citrus fruits like oranges and grapefruits, as well as strawberries and bell peppers, can help brighten the skin and reduce the appearance of dark spots. Vitamin E is a powerful antioxidant that protects the skin from oxidative stress and environmental damage. It helps to maintain skin moisture and can be found in foods like almonds, sunflower seeds, and spinach. Incorporating these foods into your diet can enhance your skin's natural barrier and promote a healthy glow. Vitamin A is vital for skin cell production and repair. It helps to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, making it a key player in skin rejuvenation. Foods rich in vitamin A include carrots, sweet potatoes, and dark leafy greens like kale and spinach. By ensuring you consume a balanced diet rich in these essential vitamins, you can support your skin's health and vitality. Embrace these nutrient-dense foods to promote skin repair and achieve a radiant, youthful complexion. Your skin will thank you for it. Herbal remedies have been cherished for centuries for their remarkable benefits in promoting glowing skin. Among the most effective herbs are turmeric, aloe vera, and chamomile, each offering unique properties that can enhance your skincare routine. Turmeric is renowned for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. It contains curcumin, which helps to brighten the skin and reduce blemishes. You can incorporate turmeric into your cooking by adding it to soups, stews, or smoothies. Additionally, a simple turmeric face mask can be made by mixing turmeric powder with yogurt or honey, providing a natural glow to your skin. Aloe vera is another powerhouse herb known for its soothing and hydrating qualities. Rich in vitamins and minerals, aloe vera can be applied topically to calm irritated skin and promote healing. You can use fresh aloe vera gel directly from the plant, or look for products that contain high concentrations of aloe. It's also a great addition to smoothies for an extra boost of hydration. Chamomile, often enjoyed as a calming tea, is also beneficial for the skin. Its anti-inflammatory properties can help soothe redness and irritation. You can brew chamomile tea and use it as a facial rinse, or soak chamomile tea bags in warm water and apply them to your skin for a refreshing treatment. Encouraging viewers to explore these herbal options can lead to a more natural approach to skincare. By incorporating these herbs into your diet and beauty routine, you can achieve radiant, glowing skin while embracing the power of nature. Maintaining a holistic skincare routine goes beyond just applying products. It encompasses a balanced lifestyle that nurtures your skin from the inside out. One of the most crucial aspects is adopting a balanced diet rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Foods that nourish your body will reflect on your skin, promoting a healthy, radiant complexion. Incorporate plenty of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and healthy fats into your meals to support your skin's vitality. Regular exercise is another key component of a holistic approach to skincare. Physical activity increases blood circulation, delivering essential nutrients and oxygen to your skin cells. It also helps to flush out toxins through sweat, leaving your skin looking fresh and rejuvenated. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate exercise most days of the week to reap these benefits. Equally important is ensuring you get enough quality sleep. During sleep, your body repairs and regenerates skin cells, making it vital for maintaining a youthful appearance. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of restful sleep each night to allow your skin to recover and rejuvenate. Lastly, managing stress is essential for achieving glowing skin. High stress levels can lead to skin issues such as breakouts and dullness. Incorporate stress-reducing practices like meditation, yoga, or deep breathing exercises into your daily routine. By focusing on these holistic elements, you can create a comprehensive skincare regimen that promotes not only beautiful skin, but also overall well-being. In this video, we've explored the essential foods and practices that contribute to achieving glowing skin and embracing ageless beauty. We discussed the importance of hydration, highlighting how drinking adequate water and incorporating hydrating foods like cucumbers and watermelon can enhance your skin's appearance. We also delved into the benefits of antioxidant-rich foods such as berries, dark chocolate, and green tea, which combat free radicals and promote skin rejuvenation. Additionally, we examine the role of healthy fats from sources like avocados, nuts, and olive oil in maintaining skin elasticity. We highlighted key vitamins, including C, E, and A, found in citrus fruits, spinach, and carrots, which support skin repair and vitality. Finally, we introduced herbal remedies like turmeric, aloe vera, and chamomile, emphasizing their natural benefits for skincare. Throughout our discussion, it's clear that embracing natural solutions is vital for achieving ageless beauty. By focusing on a balanced diet, regular exercise, quality sleep, and effective stress management, you can create a holistic skincare routine that nurtures your skin from within. If you found this information helpful, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content on skincare and wellness. Don't forget to like this video and share it with friends who are also on their journey to glowing skin. Together, let's embrace the beauty of healthy living.